Hi guys, this is Priya from Armani Exchange Select City Walk. So today I'm going to talk about the movie Wake Up Sid and what was his turning point. So before starting up with the turning point, so I'll give you a small brief about the movie. So this movie is about Siddharth, who said, and he's someone who's very happy and who's a rich spoiled brat and who don't think about future much and who's someone who likes to live his life with his own terms, with no responsibilities, uh, with no studies and no pressure. So he's someone like that who can't think about future, who just want to uh, live his life and with his father's money, and how his life has changed when he just walks out from his house. So this movie is all about that. So for me, the turning point of his life was when he got failed, and his friends got passed, and he was broken because he thought that his friend will be there for him, and uh, he so from that moment he got shocked because his friends got passed and he's not, and so he have to continue 1 year in the same college. So from there he got so from there his that was a turning point, and after that he told this thing to his parents, and his father was very upset because um, uh, before his results his father told him to come his office, and he could not even go for a week over there, and his father told him, you are someone who just always walks off from the responsibilities, and you just need money, that's it. So he told his father told him, if you want to live in this house you have to follow my rules. So he said, I don't want to be in this house. So he just walks off, and he just went to his friends, who's his new friend. Her name is Aisha, and just came from the Kolkata, and who's very ambitious, and who wants to be independent, like totally opposite of Sid. So he asked her, if he can live in his house. So she allows him to stay in her house, and after that, when he's alone, nobody's there to cook food for him. So he started cooking for himself, and washing his own clothes, and cleaning the house because he was a mess before. And he after that he started cleaning house and dishes as well. So yeah, and after that, when he needs the job, because his has his own expenses, and for that he has to do job. But he's someone who don't know anything, who's not even passed in college. So but he's good in photography. So I should suggest him that I'll ask in my office whether they can take you as a photographer or not. So from there his new journey begins, and the best thing is uh, what he likes, like it was his hobby, and he really enjoyed the photography a lot. And yeah, so he started liking it and started enjoying his own so he started enjoying his photography. And when he got permanent, and when he got his first paycheck check, and so he went to his father and showed him that he got a job and he got the first paycheck. So his father was so proud of him, and so after that his father told him to come back. And so yeah, that's from my side, and that was a turning point for me. Like what I felt, it was a turning point of his life. Thank you.